What if today we shared such a secret candlestick pattern? That pattern will always give you a strong instruction. That means it will give you a strong signal about when the price will reverse. If so, then of course it is good for you. Because everyone wants to learn good quality analysis or strategy which is the most effective. That is why I have brought this video for you, keeping this issue in mind. In today's video we will talk about a secret candlestick pattern, through which you can easily get a good signal. So we have a humble request for you to watch the video patiently for 5 minutes. Then if you don't like it then you can skip, but I will request you to spend just 5 minutes first. In today's video we will have some special topics. Like first, what is that candlestick pattern? How to follow that pattern? And how to get an entry with it. So don't go anywhere to know these things. Stay with us. I am an official member of FOREX BD. What is that candlestick pattern? The pattern we are going to share today is called pin bar. Many people may have heard its name before, but only those who have followed this pattern properly after hearing this name know how effective this pattern is. Moreover, we have talked about this pattern in our candlestick patterns videos, but we talked about many more patterns there. So it is not possible to keep so many patterns in mind of a trader. So we are going to give you videos with some special patterns that can change your Forex career. Earlier we gave a video about engulfing pattern and gave an indicator as a gift that will give you a signal when that indicator is created. Anyway, watch the video. So today's pattern is pin bar. Surely you know the pin bar. The candle you see on the screen is the pin bar. It looks a lot like a hammer. So the feature of pin bar is that it will have a relatively small body and will have a bigger size shadow. I would say again that the pin bar candle is characterized by a relatively small body and a large shadow, but with a small shadow on the other side. This small shadow is called nose and the big shadow is called tail. Surely you have understood by looking at the pictures. Now a question might come to mind. Why is there a reversal movement in the market if it is made in the market? The answer is that here we can see that the market was in upward momentum. So here it is seen that the buyers were pushing the price up to the highest point of this candle, but before the candle closed the sellers came and pushed the price downwards. And the previous upward momentum is rejected, which makes this candle much bigger and goes on a downtrend in the market. So pin bar price gives direction in opposite momentum. That's why you can see here that the market is strongly downtrend after the pin bar has been created. However, it is not always the case that you can get 100% successful direction. In today's video we will show you how to follow everything carefully. But now we can talk about how to follow it. First of all, I would like to make a small request to those who are new to this channel or who still do not subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. This is a relatively easy task to follow. It's easy to remember because it's a little different. However, there are two types of pin bar. The first one is the bearish pin bar and the other is the bullish pin bar. However, many people make mistakes in one case. When they see a green pin bar, they think it is a bullish pin bar, and when they see a red pin bar they think it is bearish. So this is a big mistake. Pin bar is not really based on any color. In that case you need to notice the candle position. If the body of the candle is from at the top, then it is a bullish pin bar. I repeat, when you see a pin bar, no matter what color it is, if its body is at the top and the shadow is at the bottom, then it will be bullish. That means it will give you a signal to go uptrend. The candle can be red or green. If you see a pin bar with a shadow at the top and a body at the bottom, it is a bearish pin bar. So you have to understand then that candle will give you a signal to go downtrend. If you show one from the market, then you can see in this place a candle has been made in the middle of the market. You must understand which candle it is. This is the pin bar. Its color is red. So if you decided to look at the color and say it was bearish, then you would have to lose here. Because according to the color, it is bearish and many people saw it and took sell entry. But after this candle was made, the market did not go down, but the market went uptrend. This is because this candle is a bullish pin bar. As I said, when the body is at the top of the pin bar, it will be bullish. And since its body is at the top and shadow or tail is at the bottom, it is called bullish pin bar. So you will notice the body and shadow of the candle without following the color. Now let's talk about how to take the entry. In this case, many people make a mistake and just sit down with the entry when they see a pin bar. If it is bearish, then take a sell entry, and if it is bullish, then take a buy entry. But in many cases you have to face loss due to following this way. So how do you follow that? Well, let me give you an example. You can see here that the market is in a downtrend. A pin bar has been made in the middle of it, but the bulls did not go to the market uptrend even after that. The market has kept its downtrend straight without reversing. But what is the reason for this? This is because it is a weak entry zone. The reason for this is that the pin bar is fixed, but there is no support or resistance in the marketplace, or there is no back point in this place. So the market did not reverse here. Not that it won't always reverse, but it will be better if you work with these things in mind. However, showing another example, you can see here that the market went downtrend then went uptrend again, and as a reason to go up we see that a bullish pin bar has been created here. And if we look at one more thing, we will see that there is a supporter zone in this place, which is why a good place to take an entry, due to which the market has gone up again from here. So when you follow anything, you should follow it in a way that will give you very good feedback. If you follow the labels with the pin bar as we have shown today, you will get a strong signal by following it. So try to follow it all the time, and since it is not a difficult strategy, you can easily master it. The reason we give videos separately is so that you can easily put them in your mind, because if you discuss many patterns in one video, it is not possible to put everything in mind together naturally, so in that case good feedback is not available. Anyway, I hope you have understood today's topic, and I hope you can find a good entry zone by following it.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.